Today, what we are going to do is enterprise structure. We are just starting with the enterprise structure. It will not be completed. Maybe our 6 or 7 points we'll be doing today, and just to understand, because there are 20 points which has to be covered, and this is the foundation. When you build a house, a foundation is very, very important. If this foundation is not correct, the house will collapse. That is what I can tell you here. Very important. You might have some little doubts on why we created, but going further, you will understand what was the importance of these points. Okay. Now let us see for enterprise structure. What we call as the second chapter is called as enterprise structure. There are 20 points. The first point is define company. A company is a group or a trademark. I hope you have taken the printout of the notes. I know the biat of this notes, but I'm just showing you now. Hope if you have not taken the notes, please take the printout of the notes and get ready for the next class. A company is a group or a trademark. It can be maximum 6-digit number. It can be alphanumeric. A company is a group or a trademark. For example, they will ask you, where do you work? I work for Wipro. It's a group in Wipro or a trademark. Wipro has got a logo. Now, for example, one more example, if you want, I want to buy a bulb. Okay, we say that what I want, Philips bulb or ISO mark bulb, which is required. Those are trademarks, which is there already. It's a dummy. Company is not so important to create it. In fact, it's an option and entry, not a mandatory entry. Okay, right? And it should be maximum 6-digit number. It can be alphanumeric. Let's start the SAP now and let us see. Anybody has taken the printout of the notes?
Yes, sir. We took, sir.
All right, fine. Because I don't have to see the notes then. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now slash n slash 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 no x 15 slash no x 15 to create a company. Press enter. You need to see two things. Whenever you open a page, you need to understand two things. One is the new entries, one is the position. Understand these two things. New entries or a position has to be checked because the cursor will be on the first line. New entries for creation, position is to find. If you already created, you need to get it. So new entries, click on new entries. Company, I said 6-digit. Let's go. See, only 6 digits are allowed. So I am taking AL 99. I'm taking AL 99 is my company code. AL 99 India Private Limited. Where do you work? I work for Wipro. Full name of the Wipro India Private Limited. This is what company AL99. Full name AL99 India Private Limited. Name of the company too. If Infosys merging with AL99, then name of the company too will be Infosys. Street, postal box, postal code. You will come to know in your company when you're getting the data. But for us, important is city, Bangalore. Very important information only we are writing it here. Country, language, and currency. If you see, there are boxes. You can see those boxes on the sidelines. When I click, first time I would like to show you that country is India. How to click on that box or F4 and country India. I go in alphabetic order. If you want to check it, I stand for IN stand for India. First time I would like to show you. Second time directly I want to write IN. Language is English, so go and press F4 or click on the box English EN. And currency INR, Indian currency INR. Indian rupee. Press enter and save it. Press enter and save. Control S or on the top. You get the request number. Press enter to move out. Data was saved. Any doubts so far? Any confusion? Able to understand how to create it? Guys, please talk. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Nobody's talking. You understood?
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's go with the second one. Define company code. A company code is an organization. Very important question from the interview point of view. A
Yes.
company code. A company code is an organization unit under which we create profit and loss and balance sheet. That is very, very important. That word has to come. To create profit and loss and balance sheet, we require company code. A company code can be a maximum 4-digit number. It can be alphanumeric. Under one company, we can create n number of company codes. You can create multiple company codes, but you should be knowing how to create it. So 2 questions I can ask you here. What is the company code? Company code is an organization unit under which we create profit and loss and balance sheet. To create company code, we require why do you create a company code? To create profit and loss and balance sheet, we require company code. Second, under one company, how many company codes under one company, under one company, how many company codes you can select? You can create n number of company codes, means multiple company codes. You will be able to create it under one company. Slash no x02. Let us go and create it now. Slash no x02 slash no x slash no x02. It's very easy. They'll give you the data, but you should know the flow. This flow we have to follow now. So first thing what we have to observe, new entries or a position. This is what I said. New entries or a position you need to see. You need to take a decision. Should I go with the position or should I go with the new entries? Because we are going to create, that's called configuration. So new entries. Now here, very important. So in company, in a real time, when you do, you will get a booklet and you are seeing the data and you are uploading the data here. But in this case, what happens? I have taken AL99 is my company. Correct. I'll be taking the same info everywhere, but in the company they'll give you, because here I'm not taking that info, because tomorrow if I ask you what is company code data I've taken, if you tell instead of Rama, if you say Sita, I may not be able to get the answer. That's the reason I'll be taking AL99 to understand the flow. AL99 is my company code. Company name AL99 India Private Limited. Here, can you see a box inside here? If you find this type of boxes inside, it's a mandatory information, because what will be a company code currency? Because why? Under company code, we create profit and loss on balance sheet. That's what it says. Under that, we create this currency. Currency is very important to understand. Now, city, you as you know that city is Bangalore. We wrote while creating the company also. We saw that country. If you want press F4, you can do that, or country IN. India is my country. Currency, if you don't write currency, what happened? Yeah, language is English, and you can just press F4, press enter and see what is asking. Can you see this? Fill out all required entry fields, means mandatory fields which needs to be added. Currency is INR. If I press enter, everything is perfect now, looks perfect. You try to save it. Here. It is asking some more information, because we are creating, it is required information to create profit and loss and balance sheet. Save it. So it is asking some more information while saving. In whose name I should create this profit and loss? In the doctor, Mrs., whatever. In the name of the company has to be created. What is the company? AL99 India Private Limited. And street. These are mandatory information. Street, Jayanagar. House number 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 7, 6. Postal code 560106. City, Bangalore. And country, this is mandatory information. If there is a box inside, country IN. Rest all information they will tell you in the company. For example, of this company's information of the telephone, mobile, fax, email ID. If they ask you to write it, they will give you the information. Otherwise, mandatory information, this will be the mandatory information. Press enter once, because we already saved it. Press enter once just to see. While saving, you should be receiving this page. To move out this page, you need to press enter again. So 2 times enter, which is required for you to do it, and data was saved, message will come. So this is what I've given in the notes. If you see my notes as well, I have told enter twice. Any doubts so far? Great concept. Easy, right? Looks, all the information is easy. They'll give you, but you should understand the flow. Any doubts? Can I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Right. Assign company code to company. Assign company code to company. We created the company. We created the company. It is just a linking because what happens, as I said in the beginning of the class, we are doing the foundation of the house. What happened? Two bricks you are putting and you are putting the cement over there to link it, linking purpose. Let's see slash and X. There is nothing to explain because you know the meaning of company code. There is any, you know the meaning of company. Both have explained now. So let's go and create the slash and X 16 slash NOx slash NOx 16. Now, what you have to do whenever you open a page, what you have to see? New entries are a position. Yeah, there is no new entries. Why? Only position is there because assign, when there is a word called assign, you will not find new entries. You will find only position because you know that you have created company code. You know that you have created company. You are just merging it. Assign, when there is a word called assign, you will not find new entries. You will find only position. Click on position company code AL90, AL90, sorry, 99. As you know that company code I have taken AL99. Present company what we in the previous two codes when I created, if I don't write the city Bangalore, it will be blank like this. Doesn't look nice. Always you have to write the city so that it looks nice. In this point, AL99, as you know that AL99 is the company. What we have taken company? AL99 only we took the company. Correct? This is what we did it. And save it. Enter, save, and enter. Any doubts?
So it's asking the request number. So what's the purpose of a request number?
Request number. See, in a company, what happens? We give this request numbers to the basis team because there will be three servers in company. One is a
Okay.
development server, one is a testing server, and one is a production server. In company, what we do, we
Okay.
create our own request numbers. There is option of creating the own request number. So what we write is usually we write the same description what we are going to create.
Mm.
For example, we are sending company go to company. There you can create. I will show you that you can create a own description and press enter. You get a different number. That number we keep it in Excel sheet, and all the request whatever you have saved, you will have a different request numbers, and those request numbers I'll be given to the basis team, that's the technical team. They will try to pull it from development server to the testing server automatically once you complete everything. Those are request numbers passing from one development server to the testing server.
One more thing. So if any modification requirements, we can edit no
Yeah, you
later.
can edit it.
Okay.
So what you can do is you can edit. See, only this can be edited. If you see, these two columns cannot be edited. Only one column can be edited. Now, if you wanted a previous one, a slash X like company code example, company code. You have created the company code
Okay.
as you know that. So go to your AL99. See here what else information you can edit. Just see. See, you can't company code data cannot be. This data you can edit it. Have a look.
Okay.
Right? Some
Yeah, got
information
it.
mandatory which cannot be edited.
Okay.
Correct? Got it? Clear? Clear? Okay, next one. Define business areas. Define business areas are very, very important. Let's do that. Business areas. A business area is an organization unit under which we create dummy profit and loss statement. Let us see and understand. Earlier we were using the business area. Now it has been reduced. Let us see. I have Reliance is a company. Under Reliance is holding everything in India. India is converted to north, south, east, west. On an average, we can divide in that way. But when you consider as a Bangalore also, I can consider Bangalore also north, south, east, west. So internally, I can divide there. For example, Reliance has got products of gold, textile, for then supermarket or whatever. mobiles, etc. What they have about it now. So those are products are there. So there is a possibility of saying that okay, Reliance Jayanagar gold is making little loss, but Reliance Ebbard it is making little profit, not this profit. So they will understand. They'll do a market research. Why? What was the reason behind it? Why they do that? So they do that for the market research point of view, and end of the day they'll say Reliance made this much of profit. They will not say Reliance Janagar made this much of loss. They will not say. At the end level, Reliance made this much of profit in this quarter. Correct? Clear? Yes.
Yes, sir.
uh, Business, define business area slash no x03 slash no x03. I'll take only one as an example, but in the it should be yeah, here one sentence has to be added here slash no x03. One sentence has to be added in your notes. A business area is created under client level. Business area is created under client level, not under company code level. Slash no x03 slash nx03, go for new entry. It should be a 4-digit number. Just have a look. It is only 4-digit number. So I'm taking what I'm doing. In the company, they will take different data down by down. They'll give you have to paste it. AL99 business area. Okay, AL99 business area. Fine. That is there. Let's see. Now let's do another two more. We'll do it for today. Let us see what we can do it. Two more. Define chart of account. Very important question from the interview part. There are 3 questions they can ask you here. 3 to 4 questions. Have a look on this. What is define chart of account? A list of all the GL accounts will be stored on the chart of account. What is chart of account? Where you keep all your GL accounts, chart of account. Where you store all the GL accounts under chart of account. What are the types of chart of account? They might ask you a question. There are 3 types of chart of account: operating chart of account, country chart of account, and group chart of account. Operating chart of account, that is for day-to-day activities. That is what we use it. Country chart of account, that is for legal specific requirement of our country. What do you mean by that? Legal specific? If I'm implementing a software for US, I have to follow the rules and regulation of US, not of India. Group chart of account, that is for consolidation purpose, we use it, but normally we use only operating chart of account. The length of GL account number can be 1 to 10 digit. They might take any length, but it should be 1 to 10 digit only. For a one company code, we can assign maximum 1 chart of account. For a one company code, maximum how many chart of account you can assign? 1 chart of account. What will be the length of GL account number? 1 to 10 digit will be the length of GL account number. What are the types of chart of account? There are 3 types of chart of account: operating, country, and group chart of account. And a different chart of a list of all the GL accounts will be stored under chart of account. It's very important to create GL chapters. Slash NOB 13. Very easy. Slash NOB slash NOB 13. New entries, chart of account. What is mean by chart of account? I'm giving it AL99 is my this one. AL99, 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 COA, chart of account. COA stand for chart of account. Maintain language is English. Length of GL account number. I told you length of GL account 1 to 10 digit, but I am taking 6. You might be having a doubt. Why are you taking 6? Why are you not taking 7 or 8 or 9 or 1 or 2, 3, 4? You might ask it, but if you take favorite numbers in the company are either 6 or always, most of the time it's 6 only. Or why? I will let you know when I'm doing for the next chapters. I do it. What is where all of GL accounts will be stored? Now this question, there is a status blocked is there. For example, you did your implementation and you are gone. End user is working on the end users, or people are working on the software. Now somebody is doing golmaal. Golmaal is happening. Some money is transaction going. Person has got a both invoice as well as payment options are available. So at that point of what they are doing is your finance head will come to know there is some transaction which are going in in proper way. So immediately what they do is they can't ask you to block one by one GL account. They'll come and just block it here. block it here so that no GL account can be posted. It's like an automatic faster procedure to block all the GL accounts so that no GL entry postings will happen at automatic way. Yeah, clear. We will not take it, but just saying that the question might come. We have to assign it now. What will be the assign? Assign to company code. This will be the last for today. Assign chart of account to company code. All the information is assigned to a company code. Why reason? Because under company code we are creating profit and loss and balance sheet. Slash nob 62, there is nothing to explain. Slash nob 62 slash nob 62, there's nothing to explain because you know the meaning of company code, you know the meaning of chart of account. We're just linking for the company code. When there is a word called assign, you will not find new entries, you will find only position. Click on position, check your company code. As you know that AL99 press enter. A chart of account AL99 chart of account, enter and save. Yes. So for any doubts, you can ask me any doubts till now, because this is points what we have covered now, and this is what is enough for the day. Please practice, guys. 6 points we have completed now. Please practice. Those who are not do not have servers, those who are not taken the printout of the notes, please keep it ready. All things what is going is on correctly. I'm going according to the step by step only, because which is required for us to do this activity. To complete this chapter, we have around 20 points which needs to be done. Today what I did, I created the company, I created the company code, I assigned the company and company code, assigned it. Then we created the business areas. Then we went to creation the chart of account, and we assigned the chart of account to company code. 6 points are over. Next day when you come for the next class, you need to be able to say me AL99 is my company code. Please write it on the notes, on the top of the notes. Our company code is AL99, because instead of AL8 you are differentiating with AL99 when I'm creating now. When you are practicing in your servers, you can create AL70 or AL71, AL72, like that. You can just create it and go for it. Instead of ALA, where there is AL8, I'm taking AL99 as of now. Got it? We need to understand the flow. Any doubts? Guys, any doubts? Otherwise, I'm stopping for the day.
So actually, I need take SAP software. So where can I get? And then
Okay, if you wanted, you can just
SLS.
bring me. There is a, see, which I use it very fast server. Do you know my servers
Okay.
is very fast here? You can tell me. But for this, you require the internet. That's very, very important. When you are practicing internet, I get it for, I get 3 months access for 2000.
Okay. Okay.
So access immediately. You don't have to start an offer. Some people will get it from the institute. They find it, but to do that, you require your GB. So much of a GB should be there in your laptop. That this, and if they corrupt again, you have to pay for the money. Why to do this? Is nothing. This is just online for you. Just come here online and do that. Finish.
So can you refer me, sir?
Yeah, I can just ping me that. Ping you. Ping me
Okay.
offline. Offline, just ping. I
Okay.
can refer you and finish it off. Those who wanted, they
Okay,
can
sir.
offline paying me. It will cost you 2000 for 3 months.
Okay.
Okay. Those who want to practice, please practice on faster track. Please practice. I'm doing little so that you are understanding the topic. If you're not understanding, please come up with your questions. Happy to help you out. I know this notes
Okay,
full
sir.
by heart. That's the reason I'm talking like this. Okay.
Okay,
Any
sir.
other doubts? So I'll send you the recording. I think how many people joined today? 3, right? 4 are there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Aslam has joined, right? Aslam wanted to join on Monday, right? Aslam, you're there? Yeah, yeah, no problem. I was requesting you to join here because I am not able to create one more batch for you just for your sake. So I've requested them to create. I have already forwarded the notes as well. Please take the printout and keep it ready. And around 8:15, what we are taking for the class. And I won't take much time of it. Within half an hour, I'll complete it so that you get your practice time. I know people are working also. It will be difficult for them to practice when I do more. End of the day, we should understand the topic correctly. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, notes will be given to you. I have already given the 4 chapter notes. Then I'll be giving you 15 chapters notes. once this is over. Okay, all right.
Okay.
So see you on Monday then, straight Monday. I've got a
Sure,
weekend
sure. Okay,
practice
thank you.
tomorrow. Right. Thanks a lot. And please practice. And those who wanted a service, please message me offline. I can get that. And that will cost you 2,000. Okay. All right.
Okay, okay.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you.